Lot number 138 is a 2007 4400 International with a DT466. This unit has 185,000 miles. This unit did not start. We don't know why. We put the jump box, we have power going to the battery, and it does nothing at all. But I was told it was driven here and parked approximately 2 months ago. So maybe they pulled out a relay, a fuse or something, but there's no power getting to the starter whatsoever. I was told the AC even works. I was told it was a good truck, but they purchased new ones and this one's got to go. As you can see, the body looks good. It's got a fiberglass chip right there. Right over here, there's some fiberglass damage as well. The tires look good, all 6 of them. As you can see, it's got a Jim Hardy dump body. It's a 32 yarder. It's got some rust. It's got the mesh. It's got rust on the body along the edges, but it's still solid. Even though it's got a lot of surface rust mostly. The doors look good, they open and close properly. It's empty. The deck has rust. Look, it has a rust hole right there. Rust around the edges. It has a piece of metal there, steel, that it looks like they covered the rust or to avoid the holes that it may have. All right, let me show you the inside. The chassis looks good. This unit has air brakes, 33,000 pounds. Gross vehicle weight, 32 yards. The batteries are dead. The driver's seat is torn. The headliner looks good. The dash is good. The fuse box cover is missing. It's on the ground. It's right there. I don't know why they took it off. Who knows, that may be the reason. Okay. The rubber floor covering looks good. The door panels look good. Let's look at the engine. I really wanted to hear it running, but wasn't able to get it going. Let me open this hood. All right, the engine looks good. Looks dry. It's a DT466 with 185,000 miles. All right, so that's pretty much it. I was told it was parked running 2 months ago. So maybe somebody tampered with it, or they took out a fuse or something to put in another truck. I don't know, but they wouldn't lie to me about that. And remember, I can't vouch. I can't vouch. I haven't seen it running. So, but that's pretty much it. We're gonna sell it like it is. No power getting to the starter at all. Nothing lights up. Good luck.